Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back, and welcome if you have not been here before. This is a channel where I will be sharing with you my journey of DIYs, how-tos, and how I make my house a home. I've done this once before some years ago, but I'm doing it again. If you are new and you would like to join my family, you can do so by subscribing and also hitting that notification bell to be alerted every time I put up new videos. So I seen these dishes and I really had to have them, and I ended up getting a blessing from Amazon for them making a mistake, and I had these in my cart and I was like debating between these and a couple others. And I didn't know if I really wanted to get these. They were a little bit more expensive. But when Amazon gifted me a $20 gift card, that made these bad boys only $20-something. Which, no, $39, because they were $59. Yeah, which was a blessing because they were cheaper than the other ones I was debating on getting that were cheaper than these. So I ended up getting the ones I actually want. So I'm going to unbox them. I have not opened them. I have not looked at them or anything. I'm gonna keep the box one way, and let's just hope that they come out beautiful and they are not broken at all. Okay, thank you. That's pretty cool. That looks nice, and this company packages really well. It says, thank you for choosing Stone Lane, where dishes come true. Let's see what the dishes look like, guys. They have these bad boys packed really well. Excuse the ashy hands. I've been in bleach, cleaning and cleaning. So the first thing I'm pulling out are the plates. So it is a 16 piece. I believe it's a 16-piece set. Mugs, dinner plates, dessert plates, and bowls. So the first thing I pulled out are the dinner plates, and these are a black mate, y'all. I had to have these. I thought these were so, look at my hands. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. But I want to put them away. So I'm going to be cleaning them and putting them away. So I wanted to get the box off the island. And I said, let me unbox and show them these bad boys as I unbox them. I'm going to only unbox a couple, then I'm going to just bring them all out so you guys can see them. So this is what they look like. Isn't that gorgeous? And they have a lip on them so your food won't drain off or drip off. And it says Stone Lane. And I really like these. So I'm gonna take all the plates out and I'll be back, and I'll go to the next one. All right, so the next box is the dessert plates. So we're gonna get these out. Y'all, why did one just fall? See how gorgeous that is? Nice and pretty. So let's get all these out. And the next box here are the cups. And let me get all of these out. One last box, and these have to be the bowls. Let's get one out. Show you all of them. I may get another set in the future, like for holidays, I'm not sure. We shall see. So that's the bowl. Pretty. I like it. Let's get all of them out. All right, guys, so they are all out. This tripod is not trying to work with me. Let me get them in the camera. So you got the 4 bowls here, 4 cups here. And I'm going to wipe these down, and I'm going to show you how they look on these placemats that I have that I think are so gorgeous, and they really stack well. That's what I like about them. They stack really well. So I'll be right back. All right, look how cute. Look how cute for like the holidays and special occasions. I think those are really, really nice. What do you guys think? So I'm going to wipe these down and I'm going to put them in a cabinet and show you what they look like, stackable, the way they stack and how neat they look. All right, I'll be right back. All right, so here they are, nice and stacked inside the cabinet. I love them so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs up the video. If you have any questions, please leave it below. And if you have any ideas that you want to see on this channel, make sure you also leave that below. And guess what? I will see you guys later, Gators.